Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to install and set up GitHub Copilot inside Visual Studio Code step by step, whether you are a beginner or just curious about AI coding. This tool can save you a ton of time. Let's get started. Before we begin, here's what you need: a GitHub account, a Visual Studio Code install on your PC or Mac. A GitHub Copilot subscription starts with a 30-day free trial. So, first of all, go to github.com, then sign in with your account or create an account if you haven't already. You can also sign up with your email, enter email, then create password. Then create a username, select country or region, then check the box, then continue. Open your Visual Studio now. Go to Extensions panel on the left. In the search bar, type GitHub Copilot. Then select it and click Install on the official one by GitHub. Then trust Workspace and install. You might see a prompt to sign in with GitHub. Go ahead and click it. Sign in with your GitHub account. Authorize VS Code access when prompted in browser. Once signed in, Copilot is ready to go. Open any code file, for example, a JavaScript or Python file. And start typing a comment or function name like for Python, write hashtag, then write create a function to reverse a string. You will see suggestions appear in gray. Press tab to accept the suggestion or ESC to dismiss it. Suggestion improves the more you code. You can also use it in HTML, CSS, React, JavaScript, and more. Let's tweak a few settings. Go to settings, then search for Copilot. You can enable or disable Copilot on specific file types, control how many suggestions show up, turn on inline suggestions or panel view. You can also install GitHub Copilot Labs, an extra tool for explanations, test generation, and code transformation. And that's it. You have successfully installed and activated GitHub Copilot in VS Code. It's like having an AI pair programmer who's always ready. Remember, Copilot isn't perfect. Always review the suggestions, especially for logic or security. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a deeper Copilot tutorial or AI coding tips. Thanks for watching.